In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a recurring transfer with Bank of America. Whether you're looking to automate savings or you need a convenient way to manage regular payments, setting up a recurring transfer can be an invaluable tool. It's a straightforward process with the Bank of America mobile app, and I'll walk you through each step to make sure you're comfortable with it. So grab your mobile device and let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Bank of America app on your device. It's available for both iPhone and Android users, so no need to worry about compatibility. Once you have the app open, it's time to log in, enter your online ID and passcode, and you'll be right into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfers Zelle section, which you'll find under the Accounts tab on the home screen. This is your gateway to transferring money, whether between your own Bank of America accounts or to other banks. Now that you've opened the transfer section, it's time to choose the nature of your transfer. If you're planning to move money between your own Bank of America accounts, you'll want to select Transfer Between My Accounts. However, if your transfer involves an external account, you should select To From Other Banks. This flexibility ensures you have the control to transfer funds within or outside of your Bank of America ecosystem. Next, it's time to get into the specifics. Select both your From account and To account. This is where you'll specify where the money is coming from and where it's going. After that, input the exact amount you wish to transfer. Precision here is key, so make sure the numbers match your intended transfer amount. Once you've entered these details, it's time to set how often you want this transfer to happen. Tap on frequency and you'll be presented with options like weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Choose the one that suits your needs. Don't forget to set your start date for when you want the transfers to begin. And if you have an end in mind, you can also specify an optional end date. Now we're moving on to the crucial part, reviewing everything. Before you proceed, double check all your transfer details. Accuracy is essential here to avoid any inconvenience later. Once you're sure everything is correct, tap on Set Up Transfer. You will be prompted to confirm your choices, and once you do, the recurring transfer setup is complete. Upon successful setup, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that your recurring transfer is now scheduled. Congratulations! You've just automated your finances, making money management simpler and more efficient. Thanks for joining today, and feel free to explore other features the Bank of America app offers to optimize how you handle your finances. See you next time!